And the slide should have date rather than day to avoid the confusion.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sirajuddin sir, YouTube live streaming is ready now. I had sent you in WhatsApp, and you will be the host from now onwards, sir. I made you host.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Professor Nagarajan, sir. Speaker, sir. Professor Nagarajan, sir. Speaker, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. I am available, sir.
Yeah, kindly share the slide one of your PPT, please.
Sir, I am stand on my laptop, sir. Please wait for me.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. And sharp at 7:35, we will start the session, sir.
Sure, sir. Sure, sure.
Okay, sir.
ಸಿಗ್ಲತಿಯಾ? பதினாறு 15
Professor Nagarajan, sir. Speaker, sir. Am I audible?
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Okay. So, dear participants, welcome to this last session of this 6 days national level online FDP workshop on Spss and data analysis. Dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college or institute name, city name, etc. I repeat, dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college or institute name, city name, etc. Sharp at 7:35, we will start the session.
So whether the
Yeah, sir, it's open. Kindly make it presentable mode, sir. Yeah, now it's okay, sir. So sharp at 7:35, we'll start the session.
okay, sir.
Now it's 7:31.
ये बात पूरा कलरफुल करने बजे क्या है एक ही कलर करने बजे
क्या
ये सक्सेस सिलेबस
कैसे अलग अलग रंग रखो ना किसी के यहाँ बेचारा
ये रखो बजे देखिए நைட்டு வந்து தூங்குனாங்களா
Yeah, Professor Nagaraj sir.
Sir,
Yeah, say a few points about previous session and kindly go ahead with today's session.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, good evening, participants. Good evening to every one of you. So, yesterday we had seen some parametric tests like chi-square, 2v ANOVA, and how to write the interpretation for all the tests. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about today we are going to see about some statistical tools like man Whitney test, crystal Wallis test, then another one is the Wilkerson Hatchie test. Okay, then today also we are going to see about how to create a chart, how to create a chart by using the SPSS. Okay. Okay. I will start the session. So whether my entire screen is visible to you? Are you able to see my screen? I will go to the here I go to the data set. Whether my data set is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay, thank you. At first, today we are going to see about to checking the reliability. To checking the reliability. So, what is reliability? So, reliability means the data the respondent has answered all the questions for a consistent one. For example, I will say one example to you. Today, 6th August, I have go to the company and they collect the data about job satisfaction in that organization. Okay, job satisfaction of employees in that organization. Today is the 6th August. I visited the company. I collect the data. Okay, after that, 2 months after, 2 months after, one more researcher visited the same company and asked the same question on the same employee about the job satisfaction. Okay. In that time, that employee should answer the same as previous one. The employee should answer the same as previous one. That is called as a reliability. Okay, reliability means employee's response as a consistent one. Employee's response as a consistent ones depend upon the reliability. We may run factor analysis and we may go for further test. Okay, so are you able to understand the reliability in the statistics? Have you understand? So how we can do it? Go to analyze. Okay, before to do that, I want to compute the variables. Before going that, I want to compute the variables. So how is it possible? Yesterday I have demonstrated to you. So I have to be check the reliability for the organizational reasons. Okay, before going to that, I want to show the questionnaire of the data set. So whether the PDF is visible to you? Whether the PDF is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So please look at the question. I have to be work with the same questionnaire for the future one. Occupational stress. Okay, it has 5 variables. Occupational stress has here 5 variables. Okay, heavy workload, pressure, organizational policies, working hours, inadequate resources. Okay, those are all the organizational reason that causing a stress. So go to transform, compute variables. Then next heavy workload, I will transfer here, then +1. Work pressure, I will transform plus here. Organizational policies, pressing here. Long working hours, here also a plus, making a plus. Then another one is the inadequate resources. Okay. And finally, I have to transform the variable as the organizational reasons. The space is not allowed on here. So that I click OK. Now the new variable has formed. It will appear in below. So go to rename as organizational reasons. So go to make a study 1 as a strongly disagree, where then 2 disagree, 3 will be the neutral, 4 will be agree, and 5 will be strongly agree. Okay, did you understand the concept? Are you able to understand the concept? And I click OK. And click OK. I will convert the option as a scale. Now I have to be check the reliability for organizational reason. Go to analyze, go to scale, check the reliability. Check the reliability. I want to check the reliability for organizational reasons. Okay, go to statistics. I want to mark item scale. If items is deleted, click continue. The scaling variable will be alpha. I want to label a new scale. Organizational reasons. So that it asks the transfer more variables. Okay. So it is a clubbed one. It is a 5 variables are joined together, grouped together. 5 variables are grouped together. Now I will transfer with heavy workload is B1. Work pressure will be 2. Organizational policies will be 3. Long working hours will be 4. Inadequate resources will be 5. And click OK. Okay. Are you understand what I do? Are you understand what I do? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat or go ahead?
Repeat, sir.
Sir, please repeat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So please look at the participants. Are you able to see the data set?
Yes.
Okay. Here, the O1 to O5, which is the organizational reason for the stress. O1, the statement O1 from O5 coded as a organizational reasons for causing the stress. What will be the reasons? The first one is heavy workload. Another is the work pressure. Then organizational policies, long working hours, inadequate resources. By joining together all the variables, we have framed here, we had framed, say, we are going to check the reliability for those variables. We have to be check the reliability for those variables, whether those variables are fit or not fit for our study. Okay. So that I have to check the reliability for that. What I do, go to analyze, go to scale, go to reliability. Here I transfer all the 5 variables on here and go to statistics. Kindly ensure that whether all the items, all the 3 blocks have been marked or not. Click continue and click OK. And click OK. So please look at the resultant here. It is not needed for that. The second table is the needed for our interpretation. Please look at the value, the Cronpark alpha. The Cronpark alpha value is 0.79, which is nearer to the 8, which indicate that 79.4% of respondents are able to communicate, are able to, are eligible to, they are providing the original response. They have a consistent response. 79.4% of the respondents are have a consistency in their responses, which means whenever I ask the question on any time, they have a capability to answer the same answer. They have a ability to answer and they have ability to mark a same answer. Okay. Are you able to understand 79.4%? 79.4% will be the reliability analysis. Okay. So please note that, are you understand? Good, you understand? Are you understand about the reliability? So it's not a needed for you. Please note the that table. Please find the third table. See, in the third table, it is indicated that Cronpark alpha value if item deleted. See, suppose I have removed the heavy workload, the Cronpark alpha value will be 0.735. If I remove the work pressure, the value will be 0.732. Like that, if I remove the variable inadequate resources, the config alpha value will be 0.80, which means 80% of the respondents are ready to provide the consistency in their responses. They have ability to answer they have provide a original answer. They need not to disclose anything. They have openly answered for our question. Okay, now I will working with this one. Please note that once again, I repeat to you, if you delete inadequate resources, the config alpha will be 0.805. Okay, if you omitted the variable from your study, your config value will be 0.805, which means 80% of the respondents are ready to give the original answer to you. They are in consistency performance. Okay, now I will demonstrate it to you. Once again, go to analyze, go to scale, go to reliability validity. I remove the inadequate resources. I remove the inadequate resources and I click OK. And I click OK. Now, please note that the config alpha will be 0.805. Okay, 0.805. It is the config alpha value. So that now the organizational region factor is ready to analyze. We may go to the next one, which is the testing variable of organizational region. Okay, we can do the further analysis for this variable. That is the interpretation. We can do the further analysis for this variable. That is the interpretation. Are you okay? Have you understand?
Yes, sir. But
Or you have any doubt in the reliability?
sir, in Converse Alpha, if the result is above 7, then it is valid reliability, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Your valuable will be above 0.6. You may go for further analysis. But whenever it appears below 0.5, you surely need not to go for the further analysis, which means you need not to run a factor analysis, especially because of the data is not have a consistency. Okay, it is not collected by any formal method. Okay, that is the point on here. Okay, somebody's are collecting the data by some irrelevant participants from irrelevant group. Okay, that is the point on here. Okay, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, thank you. With the help of reliability, we may go for a parametric. We go for parametric. Okay. Anyway, next I will do the non-parametric test. Here, I'm going to demonstrate non-parametric test. When you have to be apply the non-parametric test, kindly note that whenever your reliability value under the normal distribution value is too low, you may go for non-parametric test. Okay, whether when your data is not equally distributed, you may go to the non-parametric test. Okay, we will look at on here. We will see on here. So, the first non-parametric test is the Mann-Whitney U test. The first non-parametric test is Mann-Whitney U test. It is equal to the independent sample t test. It is equal to the independent sample t test. See that here I had taken two dependent variable and one independent variable. Okay. See, independent sample t test. It is applied only for the grouping variable or in two numbers. Okay. You can apply it for when your grouping variable will be 2. Okay. Please wait. I will explain to you. It's already teached to you. I will show the PPT on this independent sample t test. So here also probably. So please note that independent sample t-test. Okay, the test is replaced on a parametric man-Whitney u-test. Okay, man-Whitney u-test. Whether your data is normally distributed, you can go ahead with independent sample t-test in the parametric. Suppose your data is not normally distributed, you may go to man-Whitney u-test in a non-parametric test. Okay, once again, I recall to you what is the independent sample test. Here we have to be compared two groups. Here we have to be compare the two groups. The hypothesis will be there is no significant difference between gender and the organizational reason that is the cause for the stress. Okay, it will be the hypothesis. It will be the hypothesis. Okay, it will be the hypothesis to you. So there is no significant difference between gender and the occupational stress. Okay, so could you understand? There is no significant difference between gender and the occupational stress. Okay, now I will working the man-Whitney u-test. Okay, how it will be used that? Go to analyze, go to data set, go to analyze. In analyze, you have to be choose legacy dialog. In analyze, non-parametric test. Sorry, in analyze, you are asked to select the non-parametric, select the legacy dialog. You are asked to choose the independent sample to test. Independent sample test. I have to be transfer the test variable. The test variable will be the organizational reason. It is available on the last one. So I will take one more. I will take another variable, which is the heavy workload. I will take the test variable as heavy workload. The grouping variable will be gender. The grouping variable will be gender. Because of gender only has the two options such as male and female. Define the groups. Group 1 is male. That is number 1. Group 2 female. We have coded as number 2. Click continue. Click continue. And you have to be select the test man-Whitney u. And click OK. Please look at the result on here. Please look at the result on here. See, have you seen the result? See, the independent variable is the heavy workload. Okay. Another variable is the gender. So between the comparison, see, we have a mean rank and we have to be a significant value is 0.342. The significant value is 0.342, which is greater than 0.05. So that null hypothesis has been accepted. I will write the interpretation. I just copy the table. I will open the Word. And press Control V. Press Control V. So please note that significant two-tail variable. With this variable, I will advise you to go for interpretation. Okay. P value is 0.342, which is greater than 0.05. If it is greater than 0.05, what will we do? Null hypothesis are accepted or rejected. Whether null hypothesis are accepted or rejected.
Accepted, sir.
Rejected. Accepted. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So yes. So there is no significant. There is no significant relationship among among the gender and the variable is the heavy workload. Yeah. Heavy workload. So finally, we have to be interrupted. Finally, we have interpreted that. So gender is not the gender are not affected by the workload pressure. By workload pressure. That is the final interpretation. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So that is the man Whitney to test. It is replace the independent sample t test. Okay. I hope it will be understandable to you. Now I will analyze one more test that is called as a Kruskal-Wallis Hatch test. Kruskal-Wallis Hatch test. So it is the test to also replace independent sample t test. Independent sample t test, which also replacing the 1 way and 2 way ANOVA. Kruskal-Wallis Hatch test are replacing the ANOVA. Sorry, it's the wrong one. Okay. Kruskal-Wallis Hatch test are replacing the ANOVA. Okay. So please note down here. So what will be the hypothesis? So in the Kruskal-Wallis test we have to be compare more than three groups. We have to be compare more than two groups. We have to be compare the more than two groups, minimum three groups. Okay, what will be the group? Clerks are one group, officer are one group, manager are one group, senior manager are one group. Okay, how they are influencing the dependent and the independent variable. Okay, we may see that on here. So that will be a same hypothesis I have taken. Okay, the same hypothesis will be tested on here. We will go to test on here. See, please note that the assumption significant value. The significant value is 0.279. 0.279. So I will open in the word. (0.279), which also greater than 0.05, so that the null hypothesis are rejected. So the null hypothesis are accepted. So null hypothesis are accepted. The final interpretation is the destination not influenced by organizational reasons. Please note that they are not affected by stress due to organizational reasons. Are you able to understand? Okay, I will run in SPSS. Would you understand the interpretation? Would you understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now we'll run in the SPSS. See, in a Kruskal-Wallis, you are asked to go to the analyze. Go to analyze. and then go to the scale. Go to the scale. Sorry, go to non-parametric. Go to legacy dialog. Please select the independent K independent sample test. Okay. So please transfer the variables such as called as which one will the independent variable, organizational reason. Another one will be the destination. I transfer here. Go to the option. Okay, all the options are is in correct condition. So I want to define the range. So minimum 1, maximum. What will be the destination code? We will see in the chat box. So that the minimum value is where the destination is. So please note that the destination. In the destination, we are noted that the option 1 for clerk, option 2 for officer, option 3 as manager, option 4 is senior manager, 5, etc. Okay. So now I will code at that defined range. Minimum value 1. Maximum value will be 5. Maximum value will be 5. And I click continue. And I click continue and go to OK. So please observe the test result on here. Please observe the test result on here. So we will go to write the interpretation with only this table, which is the assumption and the significant value, which is 0.279. 0.279. So here I already had writing the interpretation to you. Okay, I'm already explaining the output to you. So the significant value is 0.279. The significant value is 0.279. So it is indicated on here. Okay. Okay. Are you able to understand? Okay. So it is the output for that. The p value is 0.279, which is greater than 0.05, which is greater than 0.05. So that null hypotheses are accepted. The interpretation is destinations are not influenced by a human being. Okay. That is the main point. So are you able to understand? Could you understand that concept?
Yes.
So once again, I repeat to you. So it is the test is called man might be. Sorry. So once again, I repeat to you. So we are working the non-parametric test. Okay, the non-parametric test, now we are see that the physical values test. Okay. So how it is possible? We have to be go to the analyze. Okay. Go to analyze. Go to non-parametric. Go to non-parametric. Select the options. Select the options and enable the option. If it's first two variables are related with the. Sorry, we have to be analyze the in a legacy dialog. Select the related independent sample. Okay, which means here we can arrange anything. Okay, we can arrange anything, any 5 points 10. The scales are from 1 to 7. If they are ability to read a digital one, sorry, they have ready to apply the variable in the correct one. Okay, but anyway, transfer the scale value on the bottom of the box and transfer the another variable is the bottom of the table. Okay, and click OK. You will see the result in your screen. You will see the result on this So it is the physical value test. We have to be write the interpretation with the with this table. We have to be write the interpretation with this table only. Okay, which is the second one. Suppose your result will be a positive. Suppose your result will be positive, or any of the faculties are going to for any kind of work. So anyway, I request you to take the p-value is 0.279. So depend upon the p-value, I advise you that write your proper interpretation for here. Okay, suppose the p-value is less than 0.05. Suppose if your p-value is less than 0.05, that is called as there is a significant relationship among the destination and the occupational stress, which is called as the any one of the destination is also affected by the stress. But here, please note that now the result is not significant. Okay, so that we are not ready to accept the original hypothesis, we are operating only the null hypothesis. Okay, so here the null hypothesis value, we have choose the null hypothesis value because of depend upon the p-value. The p-value is more than 0.05, so that null hypothesis are accepted. So that null hypothesis are accepted. Okay. Anyway, that is the critical knowledge test. Then next I will go to the Wilcoxon rank test. Wilcoxon rank test. See, note that so the Wilcoxon test is appeared for comparing two variable, which is shortly known as we have an impact between the two variables. We have impact between the two variables. For example, I will say the one example to you. If there is any relationship between before the training and after the training. Okay, we have measured two variables such as before training, we have measured some variables. Then providing the training, we have measured after the training. Okay, once the employee has completed his training, we have measured the performance. Now we have going to analyze what will be the difference. We have going to analyze what will be the difference on here. Okay, are you able to understand the situation?
Yes, sir.
Are you
The
able to
slide
understand the
is not
situation?
visible.
Now, whether it's visible, Wilcoxon
Yes, sir.
signed rank test. So it is a paired sample t-test. It replaces the paired sample t-test in a parametric. Okay. So please note that. So Wilcoxon signed the rank test. So after and before. Okay, we have to take the analysis on here. Okay, I will open the data set for you. Are you able to see the new data set?
Yes, sir.
So please note that in a variable view, we have measured the before. We have to measure the variables in 5-point scale. We have to measure the variables in 5-point scale. It is collecting the data in 5-point scale. Here, after performance are also measured in 6 points, 5-point scale also. Here 4 is missing. It also measured as a 5-point scale. Okay. I hope it will be understandable to you. Before that, I will mark as somewhat only I understand. Okay, I understand as okay. Fair. In the training, my knowledge will be fair. I have a less knowledge. Then finally, I have some knowledge about it. Okay. The research problem is, please note that the research problem is whether the training is influenced or not influenced. That is the research problem. Whether the training program is influenced or not influenced. Okay, that is the point on here, before and after. Okay, we will work with on here. we will work with the data set on here. See, go to analyze, go to non-parametric test, go to legacy dialog, select the two related samples. Okay, it is available on here, two related samples. So pair 1 before, pair 2 is after, and I click the Wilcox second. Okay, it will be enough to me. Now I am going to run the test. Now I will going to run the test. Click OK. So please note that here there is no negative ranks. Here there is no negative ranks. All the ranks are in positive. So with the first table, you can interpret that all the variables are positively influenced. All the variables are positively influenced. Okay, 10. Positive rank is 10. Okay. Why the positive rank is 10? Can anyone say? Anyone can say why the positive ranks are in 10? Anyone can say why the positive variable is 10? So because of, we have to be noted on here. We have go to the data set. See, okay, I will explain in later. We will analyze this one also. So please look at the test statistics, which is a two-tailed variable. The two-tailed variable is 0.04, which means p value is 0.04. Whether what will be the inference on here? It is lower than 0.04, so lower than 0.05. Okay, the p value is less than 0.05, so that null hypothesis or whether the alternate hypothesis are accepted. Alternate hypothesis are accepted. Am I right? Am I right? Please note that I just copy the table. I just copy. I will paste in a new one. I will write here p value is less than 0.05. The p value is less than 0.05. It indicate that alternate hypothesis are accepted. Alternate hypotheses are accepted, so that it is noted that there is a significant difference between the training program on comparing the measure by after and before of training. Whether it is useful, are you able to understand? So the training program has positively impacted. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, but in the data set you have given us a nominal. Is that okay to test this?
Oh, nominal. Okay, sorry, I want to change the system. Extremely sorry. But anyway, the result is same. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your suggestion. but the result is same. Okay. See, now I will write one more interpretation into the first table. But anyway, are you able to understand my lecture? Whether it is understandable?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So now I go to write the interpretation with the first table. I just press copy and paste on here. Press Control V. So please note that there will no negative ranks in my test. There will no negative ranks in my test. Okay. All are positive. All are positive. So all are positive. So that I will write the interpretation. In the first table noted that there is a significant difference. There is a positive indication. There is a positive indication in the training program, which is noted that our training program has made us a successful one. Our training program has made us a successful one. Okay, because the table showed that no, because of the table showed that no negative ranks. Okay, are you able to understand? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, participants. So why it show the positive ranks? I will explain with the data set. So please observe the data. Please observe the data set. So before training, all the variables are measured in under the 4 point, which means the ratings are under only the 4. Okay, the highest rating is only the 3, which indicate that our employees, our respondents have only the less knowledge. Yeah, before getting the training, they have only the less knowledge. But thereafter, they are they are marking the 4-point scale and the 5-point scale only. They are marking only the 4-point and 5-point scale only. Okay. What will be the 4-point scale? So please note that it will be indicated on here. Okay. So whenever the scaling variable number is in more, okay, the result is also be a positive one. The result is also be a positive one. Okay. Are you able to understand? Shall I move with the next one? Shall I move with the next one?
Yes, sir.
I hope it will be clear to you. Okay. Now, from now, I will explain to you, create a chart in our SPSS. From now, we are going to explain, create a chart. How to create a chart? Okay. So how to insert a chart? Go to graphs. Please note that. Go to graphs. Click chart builder. Click chart builder. So transform I request you to select which one of the chart you need it. Before drawing a chart, there is some rule on here. See, whether if you are going to use a bar chart, your data should be categorical. Categorical means nominal and ordinal. Suppose you are going to use histogram. Histogram is used to find out the normal distribution among the variables. Line chart help to how the data time, how the data has changed over a past time. The another one is pie chart. Pie chart means we have to be divide the whole into the sub one. Okay. Please note that it is a bar chart. So I will explain how to frame the bar chart. So please note that. Go to graph, go to chart filter. Please please track and click the chart and here. Please track and click the chart and here. Which kind of variable you want to insert? I want to working with the gender. I want to working with the gender so that please wait, I will explain. Okay, I will go with the previous step. I close everyone. Go to the graphs. I will go to legacy dialog in bar. I want to choose a simple define. Okay, it will be easier to you. Okay, category is enter. Yes. But it also working with this one also, graphs, chat filter. I want to the percentage. It is a bar, basic element. Okay, it's not working. So go with another simple step. Go with another simple tips. Go to graphs and go to legacy dialog. Click the bar chart. You can take any chart. You can take any chart and here go to bar chart. I want to start with a simple bar chart. So click continue. I want to draw the chart with gender of the variables. So just in the titles, you can modify anything. Okay, just I click OK. Just I click OK. The chart has been appeared in front of you. You can double click. The edit option will be available on here. Okay, just double click. The edit option will be available on here. If you right click the bar, click the properties window. I just right click and I click the properties window. The window is appear on here. Here you can edit your bar shape. I want to edit. Here I editing and apply. Please note that the size has been shrinking. The size has been reduced. And also I want to change the color and also the variables are enter. Okay. Now I want to change the color. So go to the fill and border. Go to the fill and border. Click any of the color on here. Click any of the color. I want to click the red color and apply. Please note that the bar has been colors also changed. The colors also change. Okay. Then go to the categories. Okay. The bar option, fill and border. You can also change the border. Here the border is in black. If I want to change this blue one, so that just apply. It will be replicated on here. So the style will be, you can take any one of the style. Okay. Okay, close. I understand. I just right click. The property box is available on here. Here you can do anything on here. Okay. Are you able to understand? Whether it is easier to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can, okay, you
Yes,
can
sir.
also use or increase the size. Okay. Thank you so much. And then click apply. Then after clicking that, you may go to the, just close it. Otherwise, we can just right click and the copy. Go to file. So it will appear on the output also. I just click close. Okay. The original bar diagram is appear on here. Okay. See, the next one will be the next chart will be the clustered bar chart. The next chart will be the clustered bar chart. So once again, I go to the data set. I will go to the data set. Go to the graphs. Go to the legacy dialog. Select the cluster. Select the cluster. So select the bar. In a bar, I have selected the cluster. In a bar, I have selected the cluster. I click define. I click define. Okay. Transfer the gender and the axis. And I want to find out the gender. I have to be draw the chart for both including gender and the marital status. And transform the marital status on the defined row. Okay. And click OK. If you want to show in a percentage of the cases, just click the percentage. If you want to give any title, you can also give the title on here also. Okay, I just click OK. Now I just click OK. Please note that the clustered bar chart is available on. Please note that the clustered bar chart is available on here. Here it is the x-axis. The gender is the x-axis, percentage is in the y-axis. Okay. The blue color is called as a single, that is not married. Green color are called as a married people. You can also edit this bar also. Just right click. Just right click. Maximize the window. Just right click again. Go to the properties window. Go to the properties window. Here bar option is available. You can increase or decrease the cluster value. Apply. You can also increase or decrease the bar also. Click apply. The changes are appear on here. You can also bring out the shadow, flat, etc. Okay. If you want to define new variables, click new. You can, by clicking the new, you can add a new variable also on here. Now I want to change the color of the bars. Now I want to change the color and click, it's a border. The fill color is not selected. Okay, wait, I will do that. Just I right click this bar. Go to properties window. So that the fill option is not enabled. Okay, the fill option is not enabled. But anyway, you can change the border color. But you can change a border color and border thickness is 1 to 2.5. Apply. So the thickness is appear on you. Okay. Okay. Now I will close it. Now I will close. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you click this one, it will arrange it in the alphabet order. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Now I will work for histogram. Now I will working with histogram. So go to data set. Go to data set. See, histogram is applicable for scale variable. Histogram is applicable for scale variable. Histogram helps to identify that whether your data is normally distributed or not. Okay. Especially the histogram is used when we have to be check the normality of the variables. Here I already computed the variables, organizational reason. I want to draw the histogram for this variable. Go to graphs, go to legacy dialog, go to histogram. What will be the variable? See, I want to transfer the organizational reasons. Okay. And I click OK. And I click OK. So now only the bar is available. Now only the bar is available. Now we are going to draw the bell shape curve. How is it possible? Just go to the double click, and click this one. And click show the distribution curve, and click normal. Okay, and click normal. Please note that your data is not normally distributed. Your data is not normally distributed. How is it that interpret? Why I have to be say that here in the x-axis and y-axis, some lines are touching empty. Okay, x-axis and the line, y-axis, here now some line are touching empty. Okay, so that the data is normally distributed. That is the final interpretation. You can check the variables, line, chart size, etc. Okay, so it is the method for creating the chart on here. It is the method for creating the chart also on here. So it is the bar chart. It is the cluster bar chart. It is the histogram. Okay. So that from my side, the today's session is over. Okay. I will recall all the things on today. See, the histogram also drawn for a separate variable also. Please know that I will draw the histogram for another variable. Go to legacy. Go to the. Now I will. Okay, histogram. I will explain the histogram. Okay. I will go with for poor relationship. So click OK. I want to draw a bell shape curve. Just I double click. The property window will be open. I just click this. Click normal. So please note that here the data is normally distributed. Okay, because the bell-shaped curve is clearly appeared on here. It not touch the x-axis. Touch the x-axis. So that your data has clearly distributed. Normally distributed. Okay, you can apply parametric test for this one. Okay, I hope it will be understandable to you. You can change the line color. Okay, you can change the line color. Like, so the line color is changing. Fill and border. Okay, you can also change the fill option on here. You want to change which one color is. So please note that the bar color is also changed on here. The bar color is also changed on here. The line also be changed on here. Okay. I hope it will be understandable to you. Okay. I hope it will be understandable to you. Whether it's understandable to you, click close.
Yes.
Okay, just copy. You can copy the chat and make a file. Just Control V. Just Control V. Your chat is appear on here. Please note that your data is normally distributed. Please note that your data is normally distributed. Okay, your data is normally distributed. Okay. So from my side, today the session is over. Okay. If you have any doubt, kindly ask with me. So please note that I will do one more test to you. In non-parametric, go to analyze, go to non-parametric, one sample test. Okay. I want to check it for a delta. See, what will be the one sample t test? So in a parametric test, we may use a one sample t test. The hypothesis will be there is a significant difference between the gender and the entire population. There is a significant difference between the gender and the entire job satisfaction or entire. Now the study is related with the stress management. Now our study is related with the stress management, so that we have framed the hypothesis as there is a significant difference between gender and the occupational stress. So please note that the gender here we have more than 64 variables. We have 64 variables compared with all the statement. Okay, the gender is compared with the all the statement, so that the result is available to you. Okay. So from my side, today's session is over. If you have any doubt, please ask with me. So today we see that Mann-Whitney U-test. Today we have seen Mann-Whitney U-test. The Mann-Whitney U-test is a non-parametric test. Please note that non-parametric tests are used when your data is normally distributed and when you are not have a reliability, your reliable value is purely less than 0.5. Okay. Your reliability value is less than 5. Then you may go to the non-parametric test. In a non-parametric test, we are using Mann-Whitney U-test for independent sample test. Okay. In that independent sample test, we have compared gender and the organizational reason for the test. The another one is Kruskal-Wallis-Futz test. The Kruskal-Wallis-Futz test is suitable for one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, and more than two-way ANOVA variables. So here we frame the hypothesis between gender and occupational stress. Sorry, there is a significant difference between the destination and the occupational stress. Okay, depend upon the p-value, we have write the interpretation on here. Then we have see the Wilcoxon signed rank test. Okay, it is applied when you are able to compare between the two variables. Okay, before and after training, before the training and after the training. We may note that before and after may write it as we may write it as one more thing like whether the SPSS training has been influenced or not. Okay, we may write any hypothesis as per your own wish, depend upon your study. Okay, we are checking the reliability analysis. Here we are using so many usage of different chat. Whether it is understandable to you. Or you have any doubt? On the past 3 days? We can ask any doubt with me on past 3 days. So if we have a chance to meet again, I will explain to you the multivariate analysis such as regression and linear correlation, linear regression and factor analysis, etc. Okay. If you have any doubt on the past 3 days, you can ask anything with me.
So, dear participants, as the speaker sir rightly said, the session is open for discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. I repeat, dear participants, the session is open for discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. Dear participants, you can ask questions from day 1 to till date, till now. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. You are right, sir.
Yeah.
Is anyone asking question? Is anyone asking the question? Is anyone asking question? Please feel free to ask any question with me. Please feel free.
Yeah, clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics.
So I want to please post your doubt also in chat box. So I will summarize on the last 3 days. See.
Sir, Professor Nagraj, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, kindly summarize from day 1 to till now.
Sir, sure, sir.
Yeah. That too with the, if possible, with the help of PPT, or otherwise, if not possible, through orally you can.
Yes, sir. I will explain to you, sir. No problem, sir. I will explain.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, dear participants, on day 1, we have seen that so many tests such as we have seen the introduction and how to enter the.
Yeah, Professor Nagaran, sir, rather than days, better say date, so that they can recollect their
Okay,
what we call numbers. Yeah.
Okay, on day 1, we are learn about data entry. We will work with the edit option, split file, and the data transformation also. Then day 2, we have working with the independent sample test, chi-square, ANOVA, checking normality, okay, etc. I think so. And also we are working the, yes, one way ANOVA, independent sample test, one sample normality, and also we have learned the frequency analysis. Okay, and the final day. Okay, thereafter on the third day we have yes. Okay, on the third day we learn about the two-way ANOVA chi-square test and doing correlation, partial correlation, Spearman correlation, Commerce retest. So all the tests have been explained with the when you need to apply and how you have to be write the interpretation. It also clearly explained to you. I think it will be understandable to you. And the final day on today, we are seeing the main Whitney you test Pascal Wallis, Wilcox again rank T test and the reliability chart. Those are all the non-parametric tests. Those are all the non-parametric tests. I also explained that when you take the parametric test? I will clearly explain the situation for applying the non-parametric test, and I clearly explain the situation for applying the parametric test, and also I clearly explain how to write the interpretation to you. Okay. And also I explained about how to frame the null hypothesis and on which situation you need to assert the null hypothesis, on which situation you have to be require the alternate hypothesis. It's also clearly explained everything to you. I hope you are all understand all the things on past 4 days. Okay. Now I will hand over the session to you for open discussion. If you have any doubt, please ask me.
Yes, participants, the session is still open for the discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. You can ask question from day 1 to till now.
Okay, can you say any feedback for the past 4 days?
Yes. Sir, all statistical tests were explained very clearly, especially with practical examples. So now I feel more confident in using SPSS for data analysis in my research, sir. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Then personally, I want to ask one question, sir. It is not related to statistical test.
Okay.
But when we code the questions, so how do I code and enter the data properly in SPSS for Likert scale items?
Yes, good. That's a good question. While you are framing the question, you will take, I think you may write some statements. Please look at the question. Whether the PDF is visible to you?
No, sir. Some browser is.
Whether the PDF is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note the statement. I request you to please read the first statement. I feel stressed due to heavy workload. Whether it is positive or negative statement.
It is.
Whether it is a positive or negative statement.
Negative statement, sir.
Negative statement. Very good. Because of heavy workload, I feel that. Okay. Here, it is start from strongly disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. Okay. When we are going for analyze, the scaling variable will be 5 for strongly disagree, 4 for disagree, 3 for neutral, and agree for 4, and strongly agree for 5. Okay, so that is the procedure for making the variable. That is the procedure for making the variable. Okay, making the 5-point scale variable. Are you clearly understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So that is the point heavy workload. Whenever you are frame a positive statement, please give more weightage to strongly agree, 5 points. Whenever you are frame a negative statement, please give more weightage to strongly disagree. Okay, then only your result will be more accurate. I understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, any more doubt? Any more doubt?
Yeah, any doubt, any question, any clarification? Dear participants, still you have time. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. I repeat, dear participants, the session is again open for the discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. So speaker sir is expecting 1 or 2 oral feedbacks.
Okay. So please say your oral feedback more. Okay, I hope it will be understandable to you. Are you really learn anything new in the entire session?
So dear participants, still 6 minutes time is there.
Hello,
can
sir.
clarify
Am
your
I
doubt.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Audible,
ma'am.
ma'am. Audible.
Yeah, kindly,
Audible.
Yes.
kindly introduce yourself and ask the question.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is Hemavati. I'm from Maharani Lakshmi Ami College from Bengaluru. So my
Okay.
query is, among all the software that you have used so far, are these
Okay.
available, the programs that you had used, is it available in the IBM free, this thing, sir, free trial?
Yes, ma'am. We have a free trial on IBM. Yes,
1 month free trial is there, but
yeah,
whatever
yeah.
showed this is part of that free trial, sir.
In a free trial, you can use some limited option.
Okay.
Okay. Mm,
So,
in
like
all,
what you had used now, sir, like what you had used now, are all
I am
there
using here. I am
paid?
using the. I am here. I am using the licensed version, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Huh.
Whenever I have a license key, but it will be applicable for only one user. That is the problem on here.
So
Otherwise, I
not
will able to.
so not like that, sir. I just want to know. See, if I go for the request for a free version, like whatever you had used, the statistical thing that you had used, is it available, sir? All or only few are available?
Only
Like what is
limited option. Only the
only
limited
limited?
option. But sometime, if your software may ask any kind of your student option, I request you to select the student. Okay, in
Student.
a trial version, student category. Under the student category, I have to be used as a trial one. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Then
Yeah.
that time we may have some no so many number of options. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Any more? Any more
Yeah,
doubts?
anybody else? Yeah, still we have 4 minutes of time. Any suggestion, any query, any question, any doubt? We are expecting one more oral feedback. We are expecting one more oral feedback from a male participant. Yes. Anybody?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No,
No
no.
doubt. No doubt. Okay. So, sir, shall we stop here? If there is no doubt, question or
Yes,
feedback.
sir. Surely, sir. Surely, surely.
Yeah. Yeah. So, with this 6 days FDP workshop concluded. So, on behalf of all participants and on behalf of Higher Learning Institute, we are very much thankful to Professor Nagarajan sir for his very elaborative, informative, um, hands-on sessions. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So at the same time, on behalf of speaker sir, Professor Nagarajan sir, and
Yes,
on
sir.
behalf of Higher Learning Institute, we are very much thankful to all participants for their active participation and active involvement. Yes, sir, please. So by tomorrow morning 10 or 11 a.m., we'll issue all e-certificates in delegates WhatsApp group. And soon after this session, we will share the feedback link in delegates WhatsApp group along with uh, what you call recording as well as PPT. Okay. So with this, we'll stop here. Thank you very much, speaker sir. Good night, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night,
part-
sir. Good night, sir. Good night.
Yeah. Good night, sir. Thank you, participants.
Thank you.
Thank you, speaker sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Good night, madam.